What I have here is Karnak 66 modbit adhesive trowel grade. This material here is a cold process, high strength modified adhesive for securing SBS modified roofing on details, penetrations, and up parapet walls. It's applied with a serrated trowel like I have here in my hand. It can also be used with fabric reinforcement if needed for just general repairs. So here we are up on top of this SBS modified asphalt roof where we have a defect. As you can see right here, the membrane is split at the seam, a place allowing water in that's going to cause problems. Let's take care of this now so we can stop any potential leaks in the future. So to do that, we're going to use the Karnak 66 modbit adhesive trowel grade. We're going to take a piece of SBS roofing material. Now I've already pre-cut this to the size I'm going to use for this repair. And then to apply the adhesive, I have a V-notched trowel. Now that I got my adhesive in place, I'm going to give it about a 15-minute open time. That allows the solvent to evaporate and the adhesive to get a real good green strength. I'll then take my membrane and put it into place. Always want to make sure you press the membrane into place, make sure it's secured tightly, and that the membrane is setting in wet adhesive. Now just to finish it off, I'm going to seal the edges with a little more modified adhesive to make sure we have a watertight seal around the front. The repair has been made, and now the roof is watertight.